Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Gold. This is a mix it up tutorial. Recently Twitch has added something called power up commands. It has a fancy name, but literally it's just channel redeems, except chatters use bits instead of channel points. Okay. Now it's gonna sound weird to you. Like why would chatters use bits instead of channel points? Well, it's kind of like why do people spend bits on Tangia? Why do people spend bits on Blurp? It's a separate thing. It's a separate thing. We expect to pay for it, so we do. It's the same idea. So you can come up with some unique alerts. Let's say, like, okay, I say balls like a lot. So I could charge bits for that. I could be like, okay, I won't say balls for 3 minutes if you pay me 100 bits or something. Or like the alerts that I have are these. So let me show you. Okay, so if I go here, you'll see I have something called Fox Hunt. That's something that I made. These are the ones that belong to Twitch. And unfortunately, for now, can't turn those off. Those are there by default. But if I click on this, if I type in 1, this happens.
Oh, my keys.
Okay, and if I type in 2, this happens.
El Chocotero tacos. So good it'll save your life.
Okay, so you could have multiple things like within one power up command, or to be literal, bit redeem. Yeah, so instead of using an extension, you could set these up yourself. So you might be asking, like, okay, why would I set this up myself? Why would I not just tie this to bits? Why would I use a power up command or bits redeem for this? Well, it's because the redeems over here have better visibility than just bits. If they're just bits, at the very best, they have to go look under your video to see if you have like a list of like bit redeems there, like what they could pay bits to have happen on your stream. Or maybe they have to open a link that shows them what they could use bits for. So instead of doing that, you have it alongside your channel redeems in there. Okay. Another question you might ask is, why would I use power up commands instead of just using an extension like Tangia or Blurp? Well, first of all, Tangia takes a little bit of a cut. I mean, so what a chatter spends is what you get. So if they spend on 50 bits, you're getting 50 cents from that. So you don't have to worry about Tangia taking a cut from that. And on top of that, you can make sure that whatever you do here is personal to your stream. I think it's actually like a bad idea to like pick everything off Tangia and make it all available. It becomes like too much. It causes like decision paralysis. So it's better just to have what is special for your stream inside here. And yeah, also it makes it so that the user does not have to scroll below the video to find Tangia or click on the stream. There's like a small like icon for Tangia. Click on that, and you now look at that interface. So now they're not looking at an interface that is foreign for Twitch. They're just looking at the Twitch interface, and it's something that they're used to. The like the channel redeem like interface. So yeah, that's why I would say it's better to have the power up commands or redeems versus using an extension or versus using like just bits. Ultimately, this has better visibility, and I think people are more used to using this than using extensions. So that's why I'm actually cool with using the power up commands. And you can set the amount to whatever you want. 50, 100, 1,000, whatever. It's up to you. Okay, and yeah, what you want to do, it's up to you, because you're using Mix It Up and you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, so that is what I'm teaching you how to do. So please like the video, subscribe if you would want more mix-up tutorials. Please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold if you want to talk with me about gaming, mix-up, life in general. And also, if you really appreciate Mix It Up, please consider going to their Patreon and subscribing. They're doing all this work for free. They're not charging us anything for it. If you want them to keep doing it, if you want it to be viable for them because they need money to survive as well, please consider subscribing to them via Patreon. You can subscribe for as little as $1. Me personally, I'll be honest with you, it took me a long time to decide to subscribe. But if it means them not ceasing to exist, then I'll pay an extra $5 a month, so they'll be around longer. So yeah, if you find Mix It Up useful, then please consider going to their Patreon, subscribing, and I have the QR code. I'll have the QR code on the screen, and also have the link available in the description. Okay, so let me show you how to set this up. Okay, so first of all, the version that I am on is 1.7.0.0. Okay. Yeah, look, here's all the, if you become a Patreon supporter, then you'll be in here. And I'm actually right here. Although it should be miniature gold, but you know, it's fine. Okay, so yeah, so here we go. Twitch custom power up. Okay, so setting this up is different than setting up a channel redeem. So normally for a channel redeem, you would go to channel points, you would go create new channel point reward, and then create it here. Then it automatically creates a channel point redeem inside Twitch. You don't do that here. With Twitch custom power-ups, you actually have to go to Twitch first. And in Twitch, if you scroll down, you'll see a section that says custom power-ups. I don't know what this means, but if you're worried about it, read it. And then you go add new custom power-up, and then just how you want to call it, what your cost is. If you have to give any special instructions, put them here. And probably a good idea to have an icon. I did this really quick just because I want to make something. But yeah, I think it's a good idea to have an icon here. Also, I'd be very careful about not having too many of these personally. I'm gonna try to limit it to like 3, maybe 6 at the most, because just remember that this is gonna push down your redeems too, and the more and more you add, the more they'll have to choose from, which could make it difficult for them to actually like pick something. So I don't necessarily think more is better. I would say try to limit it, but that's my personal opinion. You do whatever you want. Okay, so yeah, make the redeem inside Twitch first, then we're gonna go back to Mix It Up. Okay, now we'll go to add command, and we click on add command, and you look here, you'll see that they are available. I only have one, so it's only showing me one, Fox Hunt. Okay, now as far as making multiple redeems available for a single custom power-up, what I did was I created a conditional. Okay, and then I put for the conditional $message equals 1. If it is 1, then I add an overlay action. 1 is, you know, the number that the user is entering. Okay. Then I select video in my case for the action. Select the video. I set it to 1000. For the position, I set it to percentage for the type of position, and 12 for X, 18 for Y. That makes it go in the top left corner. And I have a second one here, but this is for mobile. But yeah, so that way when they look here, they will also see this. Okay, yeah, so then it shows up over here on mobile for me. And then yeah, if you want to make a second one for the same redeems, you're not making additional redeems, then just add another conditional. You can duplicate this, change this to 2, and change the video, and that's it. And yeah, again, the reason why I'm adding conditionals here is so that I'm not crowding this space with a whole bunch of different like bit redeems. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Good luck with your power up actions or commands rather. I hope it goes well for you. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more mix-up tutorials. If you'd like to talk with me about Twitch, Mix-It-Up Gaming, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/miniaturegold. Please suggest any videos you want to see, and please subscribe to Mix-Up's Patreon so they can keep making really cool features for this app, and it just continues existing. Alright, take care. See ya.